Welcome back to Checkout Guy YouTube channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to our channel. Today I will show you how to add a cap and discount particularly for a collection and giving a minimum purchase amount for that. For that, I'm using Next cap and discount app from Shopify App Store. Also attached the link of this app in the description. You can check it out. So after installing the app, you can open the app, then click on create new discount and you can give a title. I'm giving a noodle. So I'm making a discount for the noodles collection and I'm giving a discount code of noodle and giving a percentage discount, 10 percentage discount up to 100 as the capping amount. So people only get 100, maximum of 100 and minimum of 10 percentage of particular amount. So this is going to be applied for a specific collection. I'm selecting this noodles collection, right? So discount message is optional when you are using automatic discount. And I'm also giving a minimum purchase amount for that particular collection. So you can select this section and you can select the noodles. I'm giving 1,000 rupee minimum purchase amount and I'm giving to all customers. You can also combine with any of the other discounts and save the changes. Once you save it, you can see in discount section, the discount is active and this discount is made using next discount app. Now we can test this discount. So I'm just selecting that collection. So this is the collection and viewing it on your development store. So first we test this thing. So now it's below 1,000 rupees. So we are trying to buy this and trying to apply this code and it's not applying. Okay. And if we go back and if we add the same product and which is above 1,000 rupees, you can see when I click on buy now, so the discount is getting applied. Okay, the discount is applied. So you can see 10 percentage of 2,000 is 200, but our capping is 100, so it's only applying for this. We can also test with any product which is outside that particular collection and we can try it's applying for that particular products or not. So I'm adding this to the cart and adding a product from our particular collection. So view cart and this is below 1,000 rupees, so it will not apply and we are making it above 1,000. Now you can see it's two products and if I try to apply the nodal discount, you can see the discount is getting applied to only that particular collection products. This is a collection product which is outside of that particular collection. It's not getting applied. So this is how you can make a cap and discount for a particular collection with a minimum purchase amount. If you find this video helpful for us, please subscribe to our channel. I also attached the app link in the description. You can check it out.